All right, family, welcome back. It's Makisha Stiles here, aka Kish, and once again, I will be your tour guide for today. So we've been going over the last couple of videos, going over different beginner steps, showing you how to get involved in Forex, going over educational platforms, just going over a lot of different things that I wish I would have known when I first started trading Forex. So this one right here is the key, knowing what type of Forex trader are you. Okay, that's very important. If you can figure it out from the start, you'll be good to go, because then you'll know exactly what strategies are going to work for you. So what type of traders? We have different, I have on here 4 main types. We're going to go over 3. The first one is the scalper. Okay, you have the day trader and you have the swing trader. All right, and you're like, okay, who thought of these names? I have no idea who thought of these names, but just know you got the scalper, day trader, and swing trader. So what does that mean? So the scalper, this is one what I start off with. Most people start off with the scalper because when we're new, we're like, oh, I wish you're just anxious. You want to just hurry and get into the market. So a scalper pretty much holds their trades for a few seconds to a few minutes. They're pretty much in, they're out. Their whole goal is to grab a certain number of pips as many times as they can during the busiest parts of the day, which means the scalpers, they're normally in and out, probably doing the New York session, London session, like they grabbing the most busiest times and they're getting the most amount of pips as they can, but they in and they out just like that. That's a scalper. So if you don't have any patience, you might be coming in as a scalper. Okay. The next one is the day trader. Now the day trader, they normally, start the day off, they select what trades they're going to be doing, and then they rarely ever hold their trades overnight, thus the name day trader. So they pretty much might hold it all day, but they're rarely going to hold it overnight. That is your day trader. Okay, they're a little more patient because they're holding it all day. But then you have, these are the ultimate, like if you're a swing trader, I have respect for you because you're the ultimate, like, just patience person. Me, I'm not really a swing trader. So a swing trader can hold their trades for several days or weeks at a time. Think about that, several days or weeks at a time. So if you're like anxious, you got the scalper, okay? Then if you're like, hey, I can hold it for a day, then you're a day trader. If you're like, you know what, I got patience, I can, go ahead and do my trade, and I don't got to worry about it because it's already set up. I don't mind how many days it holds for. You're a swing trader, okay? So next thing you want to do after this video, you want to go ahead and decide what type of Forex trader are you. Once you decide what type of a Forex trader you are, you want to go ahead and find your educational platform that offers earning and learning, because this allows you to take time, because you might come in thinking you're a scalper, but then after you start learning, you might be like, oh, no, I'm a day trader. I'm a day trader. The scalping, makes my heart beat too fast. So you might be a day trader. Then you might come in thinking you're a day trader. You might be a swing trader. But you can do all that by learning it, okay, and still earning with an earn and learn program, because they're allowing you to copy and paste their trades. They give you time to learn to figure out what kind of trader that you're going to be. All right. As always, if you want to know the program that I recommend for earning and learning, you can always contact me in the information in this video, in the description of this video, or also too at the top right hand of this video, should be a right or left hand. You should see it up there. It's going to have a whole playlist going over that particular academy. All right. So that is all for today. Your lesson for today was learn what type of trader you are, and then go ahead and start practicing that to see if that's truly what type of trader you are. This has been Makisha Stiles, aka Kish here, and I would like to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all inside our academy, and others, I will see you on the next video.